Welcome again. Now it's time to learn the timing. But before we start learning the timing, you have some keywords that you should know before starting learning how to say what time is it. Okay. First we have, as I told you, some keywords. The first keyword is the word بالضبط. بالضبط means exactly. بالضبط. 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 Okay. Then we have the word إلا, which is exceptional word. Exception. إلا is exception. And what we're gonna use the exception regarding the time, I gonna show you. Don't worry, okay? Don't feel strange. إلا, it's an exceptional word. And we have the word wa or we, both are right. Wa or we, both are right. Means and. Means and. Then we have the word ربع. ربع means quarter. Quarter. ربع means quarter. Then we have the word tilt. Tilt represent, which is 1/3, which is actually regarding the hour, it's 20 minutes. We call it tilt. Tilt. And we have the word نص. نص means half. نص. Okay? نص. And we have 4 more words. The word morning, we call it الصبح, which is actually means the morning. Okay? الصبح. الصبح. Say it. One more. Great. And the night we call it بالليل. بالليل. بالليل, which is night. Okay? بالليل. Then we have the word بعد الظهر. بعد الظهر. بعد الظهر, it's the time frame we're gonna use it regarding the time frame between like 11:30 a.m. till around 3 p.m. This time duration, we're gonna use with it the word بعد الظهر, and I'm gonna show you the practical issue, don't worry, okay? Then we have بعد العصر. بعد العصر, which is actually from 3 o'clock till like 6 or 6:30 p.m. Okay? We call it بعد العصر. Okay, now before going practical with the time, please make sure that you have wrote all the previous keywords in your notes. If you didn't, please rewind the video and watch it again and start writing the whole words in your notes before we start the practical. Going into the practical without, having the full concentration regarding the keywords, you're gonna get lost. So please, now if you didn't write it, pause your video, go write it and return back to me, okay? If you wrote it, you're great, okay? And let's go. First, let's learn how to say what time is it. What time is it? How to ask somebody what time is it. You go like الساعة كام. الساعة كام. Say it again. الساعة كام. Well done. الساعة كام. الساعة كام. Okay. Okay, now let's go real practical. This is 2 and 5 minutes, right? Okay. 2 in Egyptian Arabic we call it اتنين. اتنين. Okay? اتنين. And we have the word we, which is and, right? We, which is and. 5, which is خمسة. So simply it's gonna be like اتنين وخمسة. 2 and 5. Very simple, right? 2 and 5. Okay, what about this? You're gonna tell it to me. Okay, it's the same thing, but we just removed the 5 and you're gonna add the word 10. Okay, so it's gonna be اتنين وعشرة. اتنين وعشرة. Got it? Okay. Next we have 2 and 15 minutes. 15 minutes is the quarter of an hour, right? Okay. So اتنين وربع. ربع, which is the quarter. اتنين وربع. Got it? Okay. Next we have اتنين and 20 minutes. As we agreed that 20 minutes, we call it tilt. Tilt. So the whole thing gonna be اتنين وتلت. اتنين وتلت, which is 2 and 20 minutes. اتنين وتلت. Can I hear it from you? Well done. Okay. Then we have 2 and a half. 2 and 30 minutes. Okay. Half, as we agreed, it's called نص. نص. So it's gonna be اتنين ونص. اتنين ونص. Make sure to write all of that in your notes, okay? اتنين ونص. اتنين ونص. 2 and a half, okay? What about 2 and 25 minutes? 2 and 25 minutes. Okay, 2 and 25 minutes have, you know, a small tricky thing. We're gonna say 2 and a half, which is 2 ونص. Actually, it's 2 and a half exception of 5 minutes, right? 2:25, it's 2 and a half exception of 5 minutes. So simply, we're gonna say 2 and a half. 2 ونص. Then we're gonna use two words. إلا خمسة. إلا, it's the exceptional word. The exceptional word is called إلا. خمسة, which is 5. So it's 2 and a half exception of 5. 2 ونص إلا, the exceptional word, إلا خمسة. Again. 2 ونص exception of 5. Got it? إلا خمسة. 2 ونص إلا خمسة. Same thing about 35 minutes. 2 and 35 minutes. 35 minutes, actually the same thing. It's 30 minutes plus 5, right? 30 minutes plus 5. So it's gonna be 2 ونص وخمسة. 2 ونص وخمسة. 2 and a half and 5, which is 2:35. 2 ونص وخمسة. Got it? Got it. Great. Okay. Next we have 2 and 40 minutes. 2 and 40 minutes. 2 and 40 minutes, it's actually it's 3 o'clock exception of third. 3 o'clock exception of third is equal to 2 and 40 minutes, right? Huh? Agreed? Okay. So we're gonna say تلاتة, which is 3. Then we're gonna use the exceptional word, which is إلا, and we're gonna use the word that represents the 20 minutes, which is gonna be tilt. So the whole thing gonna be like تلاتة إلا tilt. تلاتة إلا, the exceptional word, tilt, which is 20 minutes. تلاتة إلا tilt. Got it? تلاتة إلا tilt. Okay. How about 2:45? 2:45. Same thing as 3 exception of 15 minutes, right? 3 exception of quarter, right? Okay. So it's gonna be تلاتة إلا, the exceptional word, ربع, which is quarter. Got it? تلاتة إلا ربع, which is quarter. تلاتة إلا ربع. What about 2 and 50 minutes? Same as 3 exception of 10 minutes, right? 3 exception of 10 minutes, just same as 2 and 50 minutes. So it's gonna be تلاتة إلا عشرة. تلاتة إلا, the exceptional word, عشرة, which is 10. تلاتة إلا عشرة. Got it? Okay, what about 2:55 minutes? Just same as 3 exception of 5, right? 3 exception of 5. Just same as 2:55. So it's gonna be تلاتة إلا خمسة. تلاتة إلا خمسة, which is 2:55 minutes. Okay? Okay. What about if you want to say that the time is 3 sharp? 3 sharp. We're gonna go like تلاتة بالضبط. تلاتة بالضبط. تلاتة بالضبط. Okay? تلاتة بالضبط means 3 exactly, or 3 sharp. Okay? That was all for the timing lesson. Come on guys, let's go to the next lesson.